Going everybody, welcome back to the workshop. In today's video, I just got back from meeting with a guy off of Facebook Marketplace that just gave me a really good deal on some new some used 18-inch wheels that came with the Explorers. The ones that are on my dad's are all beat up and painted and all kinds of craziness. These are the chrome clad ones that came originally with it. I'm gonna see if he wants to keep them chrome or if he wants to do like a gloss black, which he's always been saying he wanted. That'll be up to him to decide. If he wants them gloss black, then I'll show you guys how to do gloss black on some wheels so they're durable and last forever. So if that's what's going to happen, you will see it in this video. All right.